Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to be reviewing the GHD Gold Flat Iron in this video. So I just bought this a couple weeks ago and I was super excited because it had so many great reviews and I was like, this is it. I'm going to stick with this for the rest of my life. I'm going to use it on all my clients. It's super sleek. It's super pretty. The reviews are great. When you open it, I love the matte black, to be honest. Like I love the matte black finish. It has a 2-year warranty. It has universal voltage, 25 seconds heat up time. That is incredible. So it heats up really quickly and it has dual zone technology and it goes up to 365 degrees, so it doesn't go to 450. This isn't going to burn your hair. Really great if you have damaged hair. So this is the flat iron right here. It's really nice and sleek. When I used it on my clients, I just felt like it was so easy to maneuver through the hair. It comes with this really cool guard. When I was looking at it, I realized that it doesn't close all the way. So it's fancy. This is like the Rolls Royce of flat irons. But the question is, does it work? So to turn it on, there is only one button. That was the sound. It's turning on. Now it's heating up. It's gonna take about 25 seconds and it will beep as soon as it heats up all the way to 365 degrees. All right, you guys heard that. So it is all heated up. I'm gonna start in the back. I love the grip on this flat iron. Did I do this right? I can't see because I don't have a mirror. Oh, it does curl. I'm just looking at my curls right here. They're not really curling the way that I would want them to. Oh my God, what is this? Okay, let's do this again. Okay, my hair is super shiny, but the curl is not, it's just not like oomph, like it doesn't have oomph, you know what I mean? Ow! Oh. See, oh, it's so slippery that my fingers just slipped. So a lot of flat irons will have a grip right here so that when you are twisting and turning, you can grab onto it and still be able to create a curl. So we're gonna take clean sections. So, oh. So I do have to go slower when I'm using this GHD because it does cool down once you start curling the hair. So you have to go a lot slower than you would if you had a flat iron that went up to 450 degrees. I'm gonna keep going, and the main part I'm really interested in is the front, and I'm gonna do the front face framing pieces. Oh, that's nice. The only thing is, like, I don't know why these pieces didn't curl very well. So, do you see that? Like, it's just not curling. The back is not curling as well as I feel like it should. Yeah, it's just falling really flat and it's not giving me that curl. So it's working on the pieces in the front, but not so much the ones in the back. Could be my angles, could be the way I'm holding it. So I don't want my hair to be too curly. So I'm gonna pull it out and I'm gonna shake it out so that I get nice waves. I feel like these curls didn't really take very well. So I have to re-curl them. It could be my angles. If you guys have any suggestions, please let me know. It could be just that I'm holding it wrong. I mean, It should curl regardless of how I'm holding it. Yeah, this is not working. Okay, so that is the sound that it makes when it turns off. I love this part. This part looks really nice and shiny. So my 2 cents about the GHD Gold Flat Iron. To be completely honest, I expected way more. This isn't the first time that I curl my hair using this flat iron, and I just feel that it could have done a way better job for the amount of money that I spent on it. For the amount of hype that I've heard about this flat iron and how it's like the best flat iron in the world, I really don't think it did a very good job. I want it to be really quick, and I want it to give me results that are like amazing. The pros is that it is very sleek, it's very easy to use. I love the size. I love that it's thin and it's not massive so that you are able to curl your hair. I love the design. I love that it heats up in 25 seconds. The cons for me are, well, one thing is the grip here. My hand tends to slip a lot when I'm working on clients with this. The idea that we don't want to clamp the plates onto the hair to preserve the health of the hair is a fabulous idea. But what does that do for hair that is really kinky and really frizzy and maybe ethnic hair? Then you're gonna have to go over the hair twice. So are you really keeping the hair healthy? The answer is no. You're gonna have to keep going over the hair a million times to get the curl that you want, and sometimes after a while, if you curl it too much, then you do end up losing the curl, just like you saw with this side. This isn't the first time I've curled my hair with this, and when I did last time, my colleagues were noticing that there were some pieces that weren't curled. I don't know what it is. It doesn't curl the back as well either. Like I had to go over the back a couple of times to get a nice curl. And even when I did get a curl, it wasn't a full curl, it was like a half curl. So I would much rather have a flat iron that clamped really tight on the hair and that created really nice smoothness for the hair rather than one that doesn't. Oh, another pro is that it does make the hair super shiny. I have never seen hair come out so shiny from a flat iron, I have to say. So for me, the GHD is a no-go. I am actually gonna return it. Let me know what your experience with the GHD line has been like if you have used it. Let me know also what your favorite flat iron is, because I'm very curious. I'm on the hunt for a really great one. All right guys, I'll see you in another review video or hopefully another tutorial. Bye.